to my channel. Hello, my name is Priyal and I'm back with another video. Hope you all are doing great. So as you people have read by the title and by the thumbnail too, in today's video I'm going to recreate Deepika Padukone's makeup look. So I'm very excited to create this look because it is inspired by the queen Deepika Padukone and everyone loves her, the way she dresses, and especially जब वो साड़ी पहनती है and her makeup and all looks fab. So I'm going to create this look which is a very intense black smoky eye and a nude lip, all bronzed up face with a beautiful Kanchipuram sari and a middle partition that is her signature hairstyle, I guess, because वो हमेशा से middle partition करके and she makes a bun and she is just a queen, I will say. So I'm going to try my best to create this look और जितना close मैं इस look के जा सकती हूँ मैं उतना close जाऊँगी. और ये वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहिए ये देखने के लिए कि you know how you would rate me out of 10. So let's go. So let's start the makeup now. I have already prepped up my skin. First thing which I'm going to use is a primer. I'm going to use this Insight Cosmetic 3-in-1 primer. I haven't used this primer but today I'm going to use it. मैंने इसके काफ़ी अच्छे reviews सुने हैं. So let's try and see how it is. I'm only going to apply it on my T-zone. After using this primer, all I can say, this is a budget friendly primer. It is same as the Calabar Flawless Finish primer and it gives you a flawless base. Now I'm going to do my eyes first because we are going to do intense black smoky eye, and whenever you're doing a black smoky eye or any dark eye color makeup, you should always do your eyes, नहीं तो fallout के कारण आपका base खराब हो सकता है. So I'm going to do my eyes first. So for priming my lids, I'm going to use this NYX Professional Eye Primer in the shade Skin Tone, and I'm going to use this for priming my lids. I'm using my finger. You can also use concealer for priming your lids. It is not necessary to always use an eye primer. Make sure कोई भी crease नहीं है आपके eyelid पर और इसे ऐसे blend कर लीजिए. So I'm going to use this Faces Canada Magnetized Kajal. You can also use black gel liners to just give that intense smoky eye effect. So I'm going to just do it like this, और randomly करना है आपको. ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि perfect lines होनी चाहिए. Do it randomly. और जब आप आई प्राइमर यूज़ करते हो या कंसीलर को से प्राइम करते हो अपने लिड्स को, तो ये बहुत स्मूथली होता है. मुझे बिल्कुल भी एफर्ट्स नहीं लगाने पड़ रहे हैं, बहुत ही स्मूथली हो रहा है. So after applying kajal like this, I'm going to smudge it out with the help of a brush. If you think this is not enough and it's just fading away, you need to apply more kajal. That's what I'm going to do. Repeat this step again and then smudge it until and unless you get that intense smoky eye look. Don't worry, we are going to use black shadow as well, but to give a intense you know, a smooth base, we are using kajal here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this black shade from my palette. I'm using this Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me Tray, and I'm going to take this black shade and just pat down the black eyeshadow over my kajal. So now you can see how intense this black smoky eye is looking just because we have used kajal as a base. If you think you have messed up, you can take the earbud and just clean out everything. So I'm gonna blend this black eyeshadow all over where I applied kajal, and I'll blend it in a back and forth motion like this. See why I was saying to do eyes first, because here you can see the fallout of the black eyeshadow, और अगर कुछ messed up हो जाता है तो आप उसे clean कर सकते हो, but अगर आपने base कर लिया है उसके बाद आपको फिर पूरा makeup remove करना पड़ता है. इसलिए पहले आप eyeshadow कर लीजिए, उसके बाद आपको अपना base करना चाहिए. So now I'm gonna take this shade and I will apply it above the crease, because when you see at Deepika's look, she has done a crease thing above her eyes. And I'm gonna just intensify a little bit. Just look at this. This is looking just natural. मतलब अगर आप पहले करते हैं, हम पहले भी कर सकते हैं. It's totally up to you. But I'm doing it afterwards to give it a more natural effect. Now I'm going to repeat the same step with the next eye and then I'll see you. So guys, I'm done doing my eyes. Now after doing my base, I'm gonna fill up the lower lash line. So guys, as you can see, this is how my eye makeup looks like. That after effect is also visible. So now I'm gonna start with my base, and for that I'm gonna use concealer first. I'm going to use this Pac Take Cover Concealer in the shade 08 Stark Nude. I'm using concealer first because अगर आप उसका base देखेंगे तो बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि उन्होंने foundation apply किया है. So I'm also giving it a natural effect. I'm going to use foundation but I'll blend it so properly कि बिल्कुल एकदम skin जैसा लगे और बिल्कुल भी ऐसा ना लगे कि मैंने foundation लगाया है. Now with the help of a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it. So I'm done with concealer. Now I'm going to use foundation, and foundation I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Today I'm going to use the 128 Warm Nude because my 125 Nude Beige is over, and this is my sister's shade, so I'm going to use this. So before using 125 Nude Beige, I used to use this 128, and this is also a similar shade. मतलब एक ही shade का difference है. 125 के बाद 128 भी आता है. So there is no problem using this shade. So done with the foundation. Now I'm going to set my face. For that I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Light 50. So I'm just going to set my under eyes. So after setting my face with the help of a loose powder, I'm going to set my face with the help of a makeup fixer so everything is in place. So my aim was to get a flawless base और बिल्कुल भी ऐसा ना लगे कि मैंने foundation लगाया है. And as you can see, बिल्कुल ये skin like लग रहा है. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि मैंने foundation लगाया है, बल्कि मैंने foundation लगाया है. So now I will apply bronzer, and for bronzer I'm going to use this Sugar Contour de Force bronzer in the shade 01 Top 8 Topper. अगर आप दीपिका की पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि उसका फेस पूरा bronzed up है और वहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी heavy contouring नहीं दिख रही है. So I will also bronze up my face. So after bronzing up my face a little bit, now I will be contouring my nose. So I'm done contouring my nose. Now let's move on to the eyebrows, and if you'll see her eyebrows, you'll just love it. They're so bold and precisely done. I will try to do the same, but I think I can't because I'm वैसे भी not so good doing my eyebrows. So now to fill up the gaps between my eyebrow hair, I'm going to use this Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. First I'm going to just run this spoolie and then I'll fill it. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and I tried my best to do my eyebrows just like Deepika, but I think it's a tough thing to do for me, I think. So मैंने वैसे ही करी जैसे मैं करती हूँ. And now I'm going to apply blush, and if you look at her picture, she's wearing very light blush. You can't really make it out if she's wearing a blush or not. So I'm gonna use this light blush. This is by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Rosy Nude, and I'm gonna apply a little bit. So this blush is so light that आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपने blush लगाया है, and it will give a little bit of color to your face. So now it's time to complete her eyes. I haven't done lower lash line. Now I will do my lower lash line, and for that I'm going to take the black shadow, and I'm going to take this angular brush. Make sure you're connecting it with the upper eyelid. तो अब आप देख के बता सकते हैं कि हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है दीपिका के आई मेकअप जैसा. Now I'm going to take the same shade that we applied above the crease, and I'll just apply it below this black color. Now the last step which I'm going to do with my eyes is to apply a kajal, and I'm going to apply kajal now. Now I'm going to apply highlighter, and for that I'm going to just take my LA Colors palette in the shade Peaches and Cream, and I'm going to take this shade. Just look at that glow. This palette is such a great palette if you want to invest in a palette where you get blushes and highlighter both in less than 500 rupees, then you should totally go for this palette. Now we are going to complete this look by applying lipstick, and for that I'm going to use this Mysterious Mocha lipstick. lipstick. Now above this lipstick, I'm going to use this Nykaa Matte So Creamy lipstick to give it the same color. So now I will see you after wearing my lashes and sari, and I will be right back. So guys, I'm back after applying lashes and wearing a sari. This is not the same sari that Deepika is wearing. It is kind of, you know, look alike sari, but for the jewelry I have nothing as similar as what she is wearing, because मेरे घर में कोई इतनी ज्वेलरी पहनता नहीं है और ना मैं पहनती हूँ, और लॉकडाउन का टाइम है तो मैं खरीद भी नहीं सकती हूँ to give it the same kind of a look. So whatever I am having, I'm going to wear that. I'm having these polki earrings and I'm wearing this. I know this is nowhere similar to what she is wearing, but it's okay. Yeah. And I'm done with earrings, and now we are going to do the same hairstyle that she is doing. So guys, I am done recreating Deepika's makeup look. I think अगर मैंने वो choker पहना होता तो और similar होता, but I tried my best to recreate her look, and this is how the makeup looks like. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope मैंने थोड़ा बहुत close किया हो दीपिका से. Please let me know how you like this look, and please like this video, because it took me more than 1.5 hours to create this look. Makeup, फिर साड़ी, फिर hairstyle. It took me really long, so please appreciate my hard work. Like this button, share it with your friends and families, share it in your stories. You can also follow me on my Instagram, and you can also let me know what more looks you want me to recreate, because this was my first ever video where I recreated a celebrity makeup look. If you want me to do more of these, please let me know. You can also suggest me. You can send pictures to me on my Instagram, and I will really appreciate if you want me to do something. I will really do it for you guys. So I will see you all in my next video, and till then, you all know the drill. You have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification, so whenever I'll post a video you will get notified, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, see ya, bye.